Good evening, teacher. I'm Aaron André Gomez Calderon, and today I'm going to present my academic work, or say number two, that is about uh, what's family members that I feel admiration for them. In this case, I choose my grandmother. This is my grandmother. Her name is Flor Amelia Muñoz Zorrillo. She isn't tall, and she is 68 years old. She is very dedicated of their work, even without a professional career or having despite and also illness. This is a not stop. She is very admirable because for she, this reason isn't excuse, but but more that than she's a good mother for my mother, and also this is a good grandmother for me. Thank you.